Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Poco phone lock screen setting. So in this video guys, I will show you guys how can you change your screen timeout in your Poco phone. If you want to change guys your phone screen timeout, so guys you can change it. And guys now let's see how to change screen timeout in our Poco phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So how can we change it? So guys now let's see how to change screen timeout. So first of all guys, we will have to guys our phone setting. So we will on guys phone setting to change screen timeout. Then guys scroll it. Guys you can see your lock screen setting. So guys tap here and guys you can see sleep. So guys means screen timeout. So guys you can change from here. So example for guys, I will take guys this 15 seconds and guys you can see. So I suppose guys your phone screen is on and guys after 15 seconds guys phone screen will off automatic. Guys wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. So you can see guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to change screen timeout. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.